Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my Amani Creative English Thought Words channel again. Today I came up with a wonderful topic which is very useful for the children. And as you know very well about, we have SA2 exams very soon. So for getting preparation at home for your children, it is very convenient and useful video. So all of you, please watch it until the end without skipping in the middle. So let's start the session today. Okay, homophones. Generally, we have these two types of words like homophones and homonyms. Most of the children, they are getting very much confusion when they are reading about these words. Okay, so today I came up with a small solution which is very much helpful for the children. See beta, generally actually what is mean by homophones, Nana? Homophones are nothing but the words which has the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meaning. Those words are called homophones. Okay, and when it comes to homonyms, we have the same pronunciation and same spelling but different in meaning. Those words are called homonyms. So when we are reading the word, generally we will getting a little confusion between this homophones and homonyms. But I will tell you a small theory which is very much useful to you. So you have to apply this technique when you are reading these words. Okay, Nana. For example, you should write like PSM. Here in this letters, P stands for pronunciation, S stands for spelling, and M stands for meaning. So take the right mark on P and put at wrong marks on S and M. This means same in pronunciation but different in spelling and meaning. Those words are called homophones. For example, flower, flower, pear, pear, sun, sun, sea, sea. These are the few examples which I gave for homonyms. And when it comes to homonyms, here also, Nana, this PSM theory. P stands for pronunciation, again S stands for spelling and M stands for meaning. But put a right tick mark on P and S and a wrong one for the M. You can see here, P stands for a pronunciation, right mark, that means same in pronunciation. And here S is also taken the right mark, that means same in spelling, and M is taking the wrong mark, that means different in meaning. Now you can see here, Nana, the words which are same in pronunciation and which are same in spellings most of the times but different in meanings, those words are called these homonyms. You can see, for your convenience, I wrote the meaning of the words also without getting any confusion. Bat. Bat is an animal, mammal animal. And another word bat. Here these two words, they have the same pronunciation, same spelling also. But the meanings are completely changed. Bat is an animal and bat is a sports equipment. And you can see the second one, ruler. Ruler is a measuring tool, you know very well. And the ruler, the person who is in authority, he is also called ruler. So the same spelling, same pronunciation, but the meaning is different. And next one here, palm and palm. See, Nana, palm is called a hand of upper side. Next, palm is a one kind of tree which is very famous and you know about it. And ring. Ring is called like a golden ornament, and a ring, it is like of a tool, playing tool like a circular. These are the few examples for the homonyms. I hope you all understand my small session. Thank you all.